If you need to change your Epic Games password, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your password quickly and keep your account secure. This is a simple fix. Whether you've just logged in on a new device, want to strengthen your security, or just need to update an old password you no longer want to use. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Epic Games account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your username. This opens your account menu where you can access your profile and account settings. From the menu, click Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account settings page. Here, you'll see several options related to your account details, security, and connected services. Now go to the Password and Security tab. This is where Epic Games keeps all the options for managing your sign-in information and security settings. When you open this tab, scroll down until you find the option to change your password. Once you see Change Password, click it. Epic Games will now ask you to verify that it's really you. Enter your current password in the first field, then type your new password into the next field. Make sure your new password is strong, secure, and something you haven't used before. A good password should be difficult for others to guess and ideally include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After you've entered both passwords correctly, click Confirm. Epic Games will process the update, and once it's done, your password will be changed successfully. That's it. You've now changed your Epic Games password in just a few steps. If you were able to follow along, go ahead and give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials that save you time and make tech easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.